Hello, everyone. Long time no see. This is going to be a quickie. I just wanted to let you know about the resequence codes. The resequence codes have the pound signs in front of them. Okay, even if it is an add-on code, if that pound sign is there, it is resequenced. If you look for a code and you cannot find it, more than likely it is resequenced. Okay, because I don't want you to spend 5 minutes looking for a code when it's in another spot. When you find that code, go ahead and tab it. I'm gonna give you an example, 95801. Okay, that code is resequenced. Um, I'm looking at several codes that are resequenced. It will have the pound sign and the add-on code will be in front of it. Okay, make sure you put tabs on it. Where's the box of tabs? You guys are, remember, you guys are going to use this and put your tab where that resequence code is, because you're not going to have a large amount of time to find a resequence code. It's going to tell you where it is. You're going to see the red writing. It's going to say this code has been resequenced, go to 9255 XYZ. You're going to go to that code, but you're still going to be looking for the code in that order. Okay, so just make sure you put a tab there wherever the code is that you found that was resequenced, okay? Because we are closing out the nervous system, neurology, neurotransmitters, intraoperative neurophysiology monitoring. And a lot of you guys are having trouble looking for the codes because they are resequenced. So just take heed to that. Just pay attention to those resequence codes. The 92650, watch that code is resequenced, highlight it. Just make sure you highlight it. I also told you guys to make sure that you are highlighting those terms that are in parentheses. Highlight them so that if you do get something like that on your test, you know what to choose. I call those the do's and the don'ts. You guys know what that is. When you go in the classroom, you guys can find what that is. Some of you are getting ready to take your exam. Make sure that you are highlighting those things. Okay, so this is just a quickie. The resequenced, this is going to be in the classroom. I'm going to upload this in there, but I'm going to drop it on YouTube as well. Watch the resequenced codes. You don't have 2 minutes to look for those codes. Okay, you don't have 2 minutes. Put a tab on it, boom, you find it, pick your answer, keep it moving. See you next time.